Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to invite employees to your organization while on the Teams plan. There are three methods in which you can invite an employee. The first method would be by clicking on the Manage Account button here and clicking on the Add Employees button. Here you'll be presented with a template which you can send to your contacts by checking the checkbox next to the name. You can also select groups to send to a group, and once you click on the Save button, the invite will be sent. As you can see, the invite is sent, and once they click on this link here, they'll be redirected to our extension page by which they can install the extension and join the organization using the organization code here. The second method would be by copying the organization ID code here and sending them either by text or by any other form, and they'll be able to join the organization while creating an account. There'll be a join organization button here which will look like this, and once they enter the code, they'll be able to join the organization. It doesn't work for me. The third method would be by clicking on the organization button here, which will redirect you to the workspace like so, and you can add employees from here. So once you click on add employees here, you'll be able to enter the name and the email address. Let's say and assign a role to them manually and to a team if required. And once you add them, you'll be able to send an invite to them. And once they accept the invite, they'll become a part of this organization. Keep in mind that the email should not already be registered with Eazybe. Thank you. Have a nice day.